Today, we are examining the police action that took place at the Stop Cop City protest site on January 18, 2023. This footage is sourced directly from body-worn cameras used by the Atlanta Police Department. Throughout this video, we will provide a factual review of the events as they unfolded on the ground, utilizing the official documentation provided by the Atlanta Police Department.
Activate the cameras if they're not. Sorry. I see movement in the red tent. This is the Atlanta Police Department. If you're inside the red or green tent, please come out with your hands up. All right, hold cover on red. It's good. Yep. Yeah, he's with us. He's supposed to be with you. Yeah. Right. Tents are going to be unoccupied.
Abandoned property. Can you go ahead, ensure there's nothing inside, and then dismantle them as you do that?
Copy.
A bunch of stuff in here.
Gasoline, anything that can be used to hurt. I'll get my gloves.
It's like a blowtorch. Stick them off.
Yeah. Is that bucket a shit bucket?
Yep, more than likely.
What did it say?
Seize it and bring it back.
Come back now? What's that? Come back now? I don't know about today though.
I have from Wisconsin the last
Where's the truck at? This way? Come with me. Blowtorch. Rope. Can you guys put evidence on the back of your ATV? Down here. Trying to figure out how I can get this to him. It's just a better spot down here.
They've got ATVs.
Hey, let's try to go.
There's another tent right there. Hey guys, hey. Tent.
They might be talking about the same one. Hold on.
Oh, they ripped that shit down. Hey.
So I can get this off to them.
Yeah, go tell them we got. Hey guys, Start making your way to that front.
All right, so, I mean, all our machines are on this side.
Okay.
We got to leave somebody to guard those machines.
Okay.
There's a tent right up here. Oh, that's
That's the time we're approaching. We need to go there.
Yeah.
Hey, we got a tent over here, guys.
Hold front. On. Put them on. Put your body cams on. Cover. What's that bag?
We got a green tent. We're probably about 100 meters from the creek.
Where?
Move.
Clear that tent. Clear that tent. Crossfire. Watch your crossfire. Stay on line. Stay on line.
Officer that's also shot. There's an officer down.
All right. Huh? Cover. You say, all right, guys, listen. We have confirmed gunfire. All right? Confirmed gunfire. So we're going to approach this with caution. We're going to wait till ATV is clear. So what? Yeah, we just need to hold till we can get them out. Get the officer out first. We don't want to cause another incident.
59, I need a K9 kennel. Alright, kennel transport. You want to cover be advised. The route's going to be around.
Jackson, you hold cover where you at.
This is the base of our semicircle. Everyone needs to shift back this way.
Let's go this way. It's closer. Y'all go that way. Yeah.
7205. If anybody gets in contact with anyone from
I'll be last man.
either GSP air unit or APD air unit, please let me know. They're not going to be able to drive. It's for horse drones.
We're the last two.
We're the last two.
Somebody flying a drone in the RC car?
Hold. I gotta grab evidence.
You can go
All right.
into the woods directly. That's where they're trying to come out from. I don't know if you can give them a better guidance.
Nope.
Police, you're in the green tent. Come out with your hands up.
59, they're bringing them up now behind the road to try to clear a path. I'm clear. They just have a bird
still in
overhead
the
now.
line of
trying to
fire.
help y'all. Okay.
Come on with your hands up, you in there.
Hey, right, actually, hey, Buggy, we got less lethal.
We do have less lethal.
You want to shoot a few?
Yeah, right. Come up here.
Atlanta Police! We have a non-lethal agent. You'll be administered into the tent if you don't come out with your hands up. Again, this is Atlanta Police Department with a less lethal agent that will be administered into the tent if you do not come out with your hands up. Cover me, Doug.
Hey, depot supervisors, we need to get accountability. Depot supervisor, get
Come out with
accountability
your hands up!
Okay, start to get the camera
That's 4.
out. Proceed.
1813 Sergeant Hill to command. We're administering less lethal into the green tent. We have shot 4 rounds in.
Repeat that last traffic, please.
You got count, Sarge?
That's 10.
Major, it's going to be a tent that is approximately 40 meters off the
What resource you got here? Know that.
You got drone. What'd you shoot in there?
No, we don't need to die. It's yeah, Pepperball agent. We'll go up to.
Did they penetrate?
Yeah, some of them did. And some personal experience. You coffee if they were in there. Yeah. Let me get.
Somebody come take my place because I got left.
APD units, we have units. I have we're all set up for ready.
We're gonna push on the right side.
Officers being loaded into the campaign fire, and we'll be coming out in just a second. Copy that. We'll be going westbound on Constitution.
Perimeter shift with us.
To the right.
Westbound on Constitution.
Sorry, man.
Where? 367, just go to 367. Go ahead, go. Okay, clear. Let's go clear.
All right. Gotta grab that bag. Let me grab that bag.
Oh yeah.
Keep the park entrance clear.
You know what?
Ambulance way out.
Yeah.
Park clear entrance.
Right there with the gloves on. Just cover me. I got it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got it.
All right, we're good.
Did the officer come out yet? Has the ambulance come out yet? Ambulance is moving.
We have just reviewed a documentary examination of the police activity that occurred at the protest site on January 18, 2023. This footage serves as a primary record of the incident, which has been made available through the Internet Archive. Thank you for watching. We hope this analysis has provided a clear and objective look at the documented events.